Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit Professional Behaviors. In this video, we will explore what defines a successful medical practitioner. We will examine the essential professional behaviors in medicine, including communication, ethical practice, teamwork, and risk management, and discuss how these skills contribute to effective and safe medical practice. The Professional Behaviors Unit is crucial for aspiring medical practitioners. It involves a written assignment assessed by Ascentis. Students must demonstrate professionalism, communication, and teamwork. The assignment requires up to 2,000 words. Completion of all tasks is necessary to pass. This unit emphasizes professional behaviors in medical practice. Understanding professionalism and communication is key. You'll apply risk management and problem-solving skills. Reflecting on personal and professional growth is essential. Completing all tasks ensures a pass. The unit covers essential characteristics for medical practitioners. Understanding effective communication is vital. Managing risk and solving problems are crucial skills. Reflecting on practice and development is emphasized. These outcomes guide your learning journey. Task 1 involves writing an analytical essay. Analyze the characteristics needed for medical practitioners. Reference the General Medical Council guidance. Link your analysis to patient-centered care. Go beyond simple descriptions in your essay. Introduce the importance of professionalism in medicine. Identify key characteristics like integrity and empathy. Analyze why these traits are essential. Link them to General Medical Council guidance. Use academic sources and Harvard referencing. Task 2 focuses on communication and teamwork. Write in continuous prose, drawing from personal experiences. Use recognized models of communication and teamwork. Effective communication is essential for medical practice. Evaluate both successful and unsuccessful interactions. Describe a time when communication was effective. Use a communication model for evaluation. Refer to verbal and nonverbal skills. Explain why the communication succeeded. This analysis is crucial for understanding medical interactions. Describe an instance of ineffective communication. Use a model to explain the failure. Suggest improvements for better communication. Link your evaluation to verbal and nonverbal skills. Understanding these failures aids professional growth. Describe an occasion of effective team working. Evaluate using a team working model. Also, discuss an ineffective team experience. Explain how the team could improve. These insights are vital for collaborative medical practice. Task 3 involves risk management and problem solving. Summarize principles of these skills, apply them to an accident and emergency scenario, write in continuous prose. Demonstrate calm and ethical behavior. Identify potential risks in the scenario. Explain how to manage these risks safely. Describe professional steps to resolve issues. Demonstrate patient-centered behavior. These skills are essential in medical emergencies. Task 4 focuses on reflection and personal development. Write in continuous prose using a reflective model. Evaluate skills required for medical school applicants. Reflect on strengths and areas for growth. This reflection is crucial for personal development. Identify personal and professional development needs. Evaluate various development options. Create an action plan with clear objectives. Review and update the plan throughout the course. This plan guides your professional journey. Write in a formal academic style. Use clear headings for each task. Reference all sources using the Harvard format. Include a bibliography and final word count. Accurate referencing is crucial for academic integrity. Correct. All tasks must be attempted for a pass. Meet all assessment criteria. Base evidence on personal experience. Ensure accurate referencing. Demonstrate professional and ethical standards. Utilize resources like General Medical Council guidance. NHS professionalism guidance is essential. Reflective practice textbooks are helpful. Tutor-provided resources offer additional support. These resources enhance your learning experience. In conclusion, equip yourself with essential skills to thrive and succeed in your journey. Developing these abilities will empower you to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve your goals. Should you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp at 0748436168. Our team will gladly support you. Thanks for your time and see you soon.